Have you ever wanted to increase your business conversions and engagement, but didn't know how? Well, there's a solution that can help. It's called SMSbotsify. SMSbotsify is an app with advanced SMS two-way proprietary technology that can help you massively boost your conversions and engagement using SMS automation. In this video, we'll take a closer look at SMSbotsify to see how it works and whether it's the right solution for your business. Before we start, just remind you that you can visit my full review article with the link I put in the description box. You can take a look at the bonuses included in this offer. Now, let's discover the product with me. First of all, what is this software? SMSbotsify is a unique SMS automation app that doesn't require any third-party integrations to function. Unlike other SMS services that depend on third-party services like Twilio, SMSbotsify has been developed from scratch, ensuring seamless and uninterrupted service delivery. Additionally, SMSbotsify has partnered with a major international telecoms company that provides excellent national coverage in the US, Canada, and the UK using local service providers to deliver messages. It takes less than 2 minutes to create a chat flow, and once activated, it registers the contact details in a phone book contact list and sends the links to the download page, coupon code, or whatever you choose. Step 1. Create a social media post, banner, website ad, or email. The recipient simply texts the keyword to the number. Step 2. Chatbot automation collects the data required. In this example, we collect the name and email of the prospect, and this info is added to a unique phone book contact list which you can use in future campaigns. Step 3. Clients are added to a phone book contact list and are directed to the demo landing page to do the selling. Step 4. Clients go through the demo in a couple of minutes on their own phones and can close a deal directly from here. There are still many exciting functions that I cannot manage to mention all in one video. So remember to visit my full review post that I link in the description box to check every single detail of this product. One thing I'm impressed with about this software is SMSbotsify's direct integration with service providers and the ability to allocate numbers and credits within the app, which can save businesses time and money. By eliminating the need to connect with other service providers, SMSbotsify makes it easier for businesses to manage their SMS marketing campaigns and improve their overall customer engagement. Speaking of the product price, SMSbotsify is an affordable and reliable SMS automation app that costs just $27 per year. While some may prefer one-time lifetime access offers, it's important to note that the SMSbotsify team provides long-term support for their products and services, which requires expensive server infrastructure, technical support, and customer service. The annual fee enables the team to continue supporting their customers, providing updates and improvements, and ensuring that the app runs smoothly. By choosing SMSbotsify, businesses can access a reliable and effective SMS marketing solution, supported by a team of experts at a reasonable price. In addition to its affordability, SMSbotsify provides a comprehensive members area, complete with useful resources, guides, and video tutorials to help businesses make the most of the service. Whether you're new to SMS marketing or an experienced user, the members area has something for everyone, making it easy to get started and achieve your goals. Furthermore, SMSbotsify's setup process is incredibly simple and straightforward, allowing users to set up their first campaign in less than 5 minutes, once their number has been allocated. This means that businesses can get up and running quickly, without any technical headaches or delays. But don't just take our word for it, seeing is believing. I encourage you to check out the demo section of SMSbotsify for yourself and experience its capabilities firsthand. So, after watching this review, be sure to head over to the demo section and try SMSbotsify out for yourself. You won't be disappointed.
In this video, I want to walk through the process of creating a chatbot flow. So with a chatbot flow, we will take a cold lead, we'll qualify that lead and collect a name and email, add that data to a contact list. We will then send the contact to a landing page demo, and we'll turn the lead into a red hot inquiry. So let's get started. For the purpose of this demo, we will use our basic lead generation chat flow, but you can create any type of chat flow you want, really. We've got lots of different options in the members area, and we've created this system to be copy and paste simple. So let's get started. We'll click on, this is the test app. This is the dashboard you will see when you first log in. So we'll click on chatbot for you all. You will create the chatbot. We allocate a number, and that's the setup completed. No third-party integrations, everything is available within the app. So we will create a keyword. So we would set a keyword for the purposes of this chatbot. We'll use the word info. We'll save and continue. So this is the chatbot's flow for the keyword. So we've got an option to notify me, which is very useful. You put your mobile telephone number in there, click yes, and each new contact that is added to any list or any campaign that you've got set up will automatically ping your phone to let you know the number and the list name, so you can actually log into live chat to check the status, which we'll cover in the next video. So we click update on that, and now we're ready to create our chatbot process. So the first thing we do is we click the arrow and we start off with a question. So each chatbot flow starts with a question, and we end the flow with a response. Now in the members area, we've provided a full range of various chatbot scenarios. So we've got, basic lead generation, follow-up inquiries, landline generation, upsell offers, VIP club support. So there's a wide range of chatbot flows, and you're limited really by your imagination, because providing you follow the basics, the basic processes, you can create your own lead generation, your own questions and answers, and drive a lot of traffic. So the first thing we do is we simply copy the chatbot that we want to use. So it's a question, and we paste the question into the box, and we're asking in the question for the name of the recipient. Please let us know your name. So we simply save the reply to name, and we add, and that's now added that chat flow. The next one we do is we click the cross again, and it's another question. Back into the members area for the second process, another question. And you can see there we've got special characters, thanks, name. The system pulls through the name from the first message and adds it into the second message. So thanks John, or whatever name the recipient's added. We copy that and we paste that into the box there. And in this question we're asking for the email address, so your best email. So we save this reply to email and we add. And then finally we click back into the members area, and we've got a response. So this is the final message to finish the flow. Thanks, special character, register your email, and we pull the email address that they've added in the message. We pull that through to the response message, and we copy that and we add that into the response. So we're going to leave that as response. Simply paste that in. We don't collect any data, so we don't save the reply to anything in particular, and we click add. And that is all there is to creating a chatbot flow. You simply copy and paste the flows from the members area. You select the question or response or answer as specified, and that system now is ready to go and collect a lead. So what I'll do now is I will pause this video, and I will add in our live demo URL into this system, and then we'll come back and we'll do a live reply through the system. Okay, so I've added my demo page link into the message, and this is how the process will look in real time. So we're going to send the keyword back to the phone, info, and we send a reply: thanks for your text, please let us know your name. Linda sends a name, and in the next message we personalise the message: thanks Linda, please let us know your best email. Linda sends her email back, and we personalise the message: thanks Linda, we've got registered your email in our system, please click the link to see a demo of the system in action. So what we'll do now is we'll actually click through to that demo in real time, and we can see exactly what, in this instance it's a business owner looking at a VIP club. So we send some information, how it works. If the business owner wants to go through the process that his customers will go through to join his VIP club, we've got a demo set up for that, which is in the members area. It's a simple copy and paste landing page. Again, provide more information. We give them a fixed fee idea of price starting at $197, which from a local business point of view to rapidly increases his store visits, is not expensive. Some idea of what we include: we've got an option to provide a 7-day trial, which massively boosts conversions, but the biggest thing that creates scarcity and almost instant new orders is we only partner with one local business type in each area. So invariably, depending on the size of the area you're going to be working in, you can have more than one florist and gym and restaurant and bar and so on. So the last thing you want to do when you see something as powerful as this, as a business owner, is maybe let your competitor get the deal. So we're asking now, contact us now to check you could be an success story. Text the word check to find out what the availability is. So obviously majority of people do send that reply because they want to know the more details. So we'll go into this. We'll send the word to the keyword check. We automatically send another reply automated, asking for the business type so we can check it, because we don't know at that point in time what the business type is. Linda sends back and says she's a florist, and we automatically pull the word florist through to the reply. We tell her that we'll check the availability and we'll get back to her shortly. So that's gone through the process of taking a cold recipient through the process. We've turned it into a warm inquiry because we've got the name and email, and now we've got a very hot lead from Linda, who's interested as a florist to become the sole VIP club provider in that area. So what we would do now is simply log into live chat, and we will talk to Linda in real time, and we'll do that in the next video. Welcome back to the live chat demo. We've just in the previous video generated a cold lead, confirmed that lead into an inquiry from a florist for us to create a VIP club for the business. So we will now go through to chat SMS. In this screen you will see all of the list of all of the contacts that have replied to any campaigns, and you're alerted on your mobile phone of each customer and the number that have replied to the particular campaign. So you can find the number, click on the number, and this brings into the history of the messaging between the customer and the system and the bot. So we can say there that so we've got florist. So the last thing we did on the reply was we'll contact you with details of the availability for a florist. So we send a message to Linda saying that she's the first florist we've contacted, so we don't normally need to contact more than one or two, so that's creating some natural urgency there. What's the best time to call? I have this afternoon or tomorrow, for example. So she wants to go for 4 o'clock. We reply from the bot, from the system in the message field below. You know, that's great, Lynn, I'll call you at 4. Let me know on the call how many customers you've got, and we can confirm a fixed price quotations. That sets up the inquiry, and you can talk all day on the messaging app. But I mean, that's basically got you teed up. You've got a florist looking for a VIP club. She knows the entry level service is 197 because she's gone through the process. She's going to have the numbers of contact details she's got on file or on the PC that we can load into the system. So you've simply then got to decide, ask her whether she wants some in-store promotional materials provided. Does she want some social media banners and campaigns? We can create Facebook covers, Facebook posts, everything we provide is provided in the members area, and we have print templates done, and all you need to do is just change the number, add the customer logo, and they're good to go. So it's a tremendous opportunity to tee up appointments that you don't really need to visit half the time. I mean, you can do this by text and by phone, and it's a tremendous benefit of the system.
It's such a good deal that you shouldn't miss it. That's the end of my video. I hope that through this video you can understand the product better before deciding to buy it or not. Remember that you can always check it again with my review article that I put in the description box. Grab all details you need, as well as choose the bonus packages you like the most. If you still have any questions about the product, don't hesitate to comment down to let me know. And if you get this product from my link, just email my email bonusesfromme@gmail.com to receive the bonuses within 24 hours. Thank you very much for your attention, and see you soon in my next video.